welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to unbox my Birkenstock Milano sandals and I cannot wait to show you guys. If this is the first time of checking out my channel, hello and welcome. I share videos centered around motherhood, lifestyle, reviews, hauls and all of that. So if that's the kind of content you love watching, I hope you will stick around. Please do not forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys what I just received in the post. So I ordered the Birkenstock Milano shoes and I'm super excited. In fact, I just put my camera on and just had to show you guys this quick review because I can't wait to start wearing it out and about this summer. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. Okay, so I've got it right here. It arrived in this box and inside the box is this one. So the shoes came in this blue box and this one is the Milano sandals. I absolutely love it because it's really chunky and it looks like the Chanel dupe, but I can't even say this is like the Chanel dupe because Birkenstocks have been here for like ages and they just make brilliant stuff anyway. So yeah, I absolutely love these sandals and I love the color black. I wish it came in like all black. I feel like it would have been awesome, but I'm not sure if I saw it on the website, but the only one I saw was this one and I just had to take this one, but I love it. It looks super cute. I still need to break into it because it's a bit a bit new. This is the natural leather and this one is the cork padding. My feet still needs to break into these shoes because it just feels a bit tough and it's not quite comfortable right now. But the more you wear your Birkenstocks, the more your feet kind of adjusts and aligns with the footbed, and it just is more comfortable in the long run. So this is the back. I haven't worn this out yet. I just wanted to make this video and show you guys the shoes before I wear it out so you guys can see it all neat and clean. Yeah, but this is so cute. I love this style. I can't even say this is like the Chanel dupe because Birkenstocks have been around for ages and it is Birkenstock and not like the Chanel dupe, but you could get away with this being similar to the Chanel chunky sandals, just like this. But I love it and it is going to be rocked this summer. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how it looks on my feet and let me know what you guys think about the Milano sandals. Okay, so this is just the inside packaging and stuff. So I ordered my Birkenstock in a size 8 because normally I wear like a size 8 42, but when it arrived it was so wide, like it was so wide, it's just ridiculous. So I had to return it and then I changed that for, I think this one is the size 41 and I'm not sure if this is the 7.5 or if this is the 7, but this is the 41, so it fits better. In the box you'll get like a return slip for free returns, I think, and yeah, you also get like your receipt and stuff like this. Okay, yeah, this is the 7.5 size 41, so you have to go down a size or a half size for it to fit your feet. And yeah, let me show you guys how this looks on me. gorgeous ones are from White Stuff. I absolutely love the color. It's got red and then pink underneath with some gorgeous stars inside. These are so nice and soft. The padding is so soft. You do not need to break into these ones, but they look similar to the Birkenstock, you know, sandals. This one is super cute, and let's see what is written on here. It just says pretty things, I like them a lot. And this looks so good. So these ones are £35, and my one is, let's see, the Isla Footbed Sandal in mid red. So yeah, this one also is a size 41, but this one is 841, and this one feels really snug, unlike the Birkenstocks. The Birkenstocks, you know, you have to, you know, have space at the front for your toes and space at the back for your heel, but this one fits really snug. Like my toes are like here and my heel is just around here. So yeah, I like these ones as well. I wasn't going to show you these sandals, but I just thought I should just, you know, show you, since I'm doing like a similar content for my Birkenstock one. Yeah, but this one was a PR package. The Birkenstock one, I bought it because I bought it before I received this one. Simply because it took a long time for the Birkenstock to arrive from Germany. But I like this one because this one's a different color, so depending on the occasion, the outfit and stuff like that, I can wear this one, you know, just the slipper style, and then the Birkenstock is like the sandal style. I'm going to show you guys the two you know, shoes in comparison. So if you want to see how wide or how big they are, then yeah, you can have a look at this one. So these are the two shoes side by side. The Birkenstocks are a little bit bigger than the White Stuff one, and this is the top. Okay, so this is how wide the Birkenstock is, and this is how the White Stuff one looks. Okay, so yeah, that's like a little bit of the differences between the two of them, but I like them for different reasons. I like this one because it's got like the back strap buckle, and you know, just different. And then this one, I love this one because this one is super cute and different as well. The Birkenstock is just a little bit taller than the White Stuff one, but this is in no way a comparison between the two sandals. They're from different brands and they are unique in their different ways. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, so if you want like a Birkenstock dupe, you could go for the White Stuff one. The White Stuff one is just a very lovely dupe to the Birkenstock one. Okay, I absolutely love the White Stuff one because it's just a cute color, giving me the whole, you know, vibes for summer. And this one is more edgy, and you know, it's a bit more edgy than this one. It's edgier than that one, but I love the two of them really. And this one doesn't have like any brand name or anything on there, but this one has the Birkenstock brand name there. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you want like a Birkenstock dupe that is a lot more affordable, you can go for White Stuff. I would highly recommend this White Stuff sandals or slippers. They're so good. And if you want the Birkenstock, of course, you can go for the Birkenstock. Yeah. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think about Birkenstocks, and if this style is the kind of style that you would go for, or are you more of the Arizona, style, the one without the straps at the back. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys will stick around. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can get instant notifications each time I share a new video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.